Hello again, everybody. Here working on the planner, and I thought I'd give you another tool review. Well, it's tool review, but it's also kind of a set. You've seen me use some of these tools on the other videos, so let's get started. It is the Pittsburgh 301 piece mechanics tool set. Comes with a pretty nice case. That isn't bad. That happens right there a lot. So the case might leave a little bit to be desired. And here's the half-inch sockets. The 3/8. Now, one thing that I wish was a little different was the fact that there's only one half-inch tool to attach sockets to. Now, it's not that big of a deal because I have all the other stuff to do that with, but like here you have a little breaker bar, and you have a ratchet, and you have this T-handle thing. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's more leverage. But should you need to use one of these, should you need it, you don't have it, so you have to have an additional half-inch tool to use those other sockets on the same thing. One thing I like about it is they give you a lot of stuff that you may not think you need until you need it. So if you go ahead and get something like this, you're going to have most of the stuff that you don't know you need until you do. These little wrenches are not quite as good as your standard Pittsburgh offering. The crescent wrench is not in here, but I know where it's at. It's not a very good crescent wrench, but the screwdrivers are fine. These Pittsburghs like this, and they give you some torques as well. I bought this with a 20% off coupon. Without the 20% off coupon, I don't know whether I would have. It would probably still been worth it, but the 20% coupon really made it, I think, a decent buy. So there you have that. The 301 piece mechanics tool set. It's not too terribly heavy, relatively easy to carry around. Overall, if you got the 20% off coupon, it's a good thing to, and I think that was like, I cannot remember how much it was. I think it was like maybe with the 20% off, like $169, I think. So it's not really a hobby tool kit, I guess. I don't know. I needed it. I use it all the time, so to me, it was definitely worth it. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching the farm show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.